Thank you for watching our YouTube Aromahead channel. Join me as I show you how to make a room spray. This blend uses familiar essential oils of bergamot and white pine and ravensara. Bergamot is perfect in linen sprays and room sprays. It's considered a phototoxic oil, but since it's not coming in contact with our skin, we don't have to be concerned about it and can get that fresh, vibrant, antimicrobial effect from the bergamot. So if we were to use this as a topical blend, however, I would limit it to 2 drops of bergamot per 1 ounce of carrier to avoid any of the phototoxic effects. So first of all, we will take our 2-ounce spray bottle. I either use a PET spray bottle or a glass spray bottle, as we don't have to worry about the essential oils leaching into the plastic. So I carefully take the top off and set it down. And in this recipe, you can use any hydrosol that you might have on hand. We're going to be using eucalyptus hydrosol as it's so air cleansing and refreshing. You can also just use plain water in this blend. So we will put 2 ounces. Actually, it's a little bit less than 2 ounces so that we have room for our other ingredients. So I'll fill it about 3/4 full. It smells so beautiful. I get this eucalyptus hydrosol at Aromatics International. They have a lot of beautiful hydrosols. So our next ingredient that we're going to put in is white pine. Now, white pine essential oil has a very fresh, green, woodsy scent. It's crisp and clean, and it has a very calming aspect while releasing tension, making way for a healthy energy. It's also great as a very nice pain relieving benefit to it, but it opens up our airways and our breathing, and it encourages positive energy and reflection. So in this recipe, we will be putting 15 drops of pine. Now in a room spray or a linen spray, if I get a few extra drops in my blend, I don't worry about it because it's not coming in contact with my skin. So the purpose of my blend is to cleanse the air and give it a nice fresh aroma. The next oil we're putting in is bergamot. The tart green rinds of the citrus bergamot fruit. It's not an edible fruit, but it creates a very sweet, lemony, herbaceous aroma. It's also very calming, so it blends well with the synergy of our white pine especially, providing a very calming, a very energetic effect. It's really great for anxiety and easing tension. So we will add 15 drops of bergamot, and it's a green oil, as you can see as it comes through. 15 drops of bergamot. Our next oil, we will be putting in 10 drops of ravensara. Now, ravensara greatly resembles the eucalyptus globulus, and it has a eucalyptus fresh camphorous aroma to it. It's very energetic emotionally, and it's a great oil for fortifying and helping to support self-confidence. It's also really good for energizing and clearing the mind, and it helps to discourage any germs from lingering in the air. So we will add 10 drops of our ravensara. Now the reason why I'm only putting 10 drops in is because I want to really be able to smell the white pine and the bergamot. Ravensara has a wonderful aroma, but the camphorous smell sometimes can take over my blend. So I put 10 drops in. Let's see. It smells wonderful. Now, as you know, oil and water, or a water substance like hydrosol, do not blend together. So because of this, we will add some dispersant. It's called a soluble dispersant, and once again, I get this at Aromatics International. And this helps the water and the oil to bind together. So when I use it, I just give it a quick shake. It changes the color of it, as you'll see, and then I'll be able to spray it around without worry of an intense area of essential oils. We're going to put in about 6 mils of soluble to our blend of a 2-ounce bottle of hydrosol and our essential oils. About 6 mils. Sometimes it will be a little bit more and sometimes a little bit less. And then we just pour that into our mixture. See how it changed the color? All right, so at this point, we just cap our spray bottle. You can see how the essential oil is sitting on top. We give it a good shake, and it takes a lot of shaking to disperse the essential oils with the hydrosol and the soluble. And there you have it. So every time I pick this up to go spray it, I'll give it a quick shake, and then I'll be able to spray it in my air. It's beautiful. This is our Energizing Room Spray. Spray your rooms and your linens to clear the air and freshen up your space. If you enjoy learning how to make blends and want to learn how to make a range of other exciting aromatherapy products, join us on our AromaHead YouTube channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.